Hi guys, good morning. Wednesday pa lang ngayon guys, almost 5 o'clock. So 4 o'clock guys, nagising na ako. Kahapon pala guys, nag-take ako ng PTO sa aking work kasi may doctor's appointment ako. Kasi past few weeks not feeling well, always feel dizzy and very tired. And then finally I get my appointment yesterday. So I got this 3 medication. Guys, I have a high BP. So, medyo mataas yung ating BP guys. So, I'm start taking my pill for my blood pressure. And then, I have a pain also in my back. I got 2 shots yesterday. And I got a pill for that medication within 30 days. And then, my doctor says that the pain will not goes. I will have to go through x-ray. Hopefully, it helps. But I feel that the shots yesterday makes me feel better and get home, fall asleep and take a rest, and then pick up my cousin because she just started the job yesterday. And then I have also for my mood swings, so maybe because I got a total hysterectomy when I was 27 years old, so maybe that's why. And I feel constantly fatigue and tired, but I keep moving. But anyway guys, I try to take just 1 cup of coffee a day because I usually have 2 cups of coffee, and I'm start taking no creamer in my coffee. This is just black coffee, if you can see. So no creamer, try nating mag no creamer, and try nating mag baon ng tubig sa work. So that's it for today guys, and I will see you when I get home. So guys, i-on natin yung ating car kasi nag-froze siya. So magja-jacket lang tayo kasi medyo malamig. So on natin yung ating car para pag ready na tayong umalis, warm na yung ating car. So let's go. Very dark outside, you cannot see me, but that's alright. So I'm gonna own my car. Oops. Careful. So I'm here now. Look at the car. It's froze. So by the way guys, itong aking car, bago pala to kasi yung aking isang car, I got an accident with that. But I'm gonna make a video guys what happened. So I'm here in my car. I'm about to start and put it in a warm mood so that when I get ready to work, my car is warm. So because it's froze, you guys. And let's go back to the house because I will get ready, dress up, and pick up my cousin and go to work. So guys, time check is anong oras? 6 na ng gabi guys. So magsi-6 na ng gabi. So dumating tayo ng bahay mga exactly 4 kasi dinap pa natin yung ating pinsan. Galing kami sa work. But anyway guys, yung aking mga alaga, I have my puppy right here with me. Nabigyan ko na sila ng bath. Yung isa natutulog doon. And then, naglalaba ako guys ng mga kitchen rugs. Then, pagdating ko dito sa bahay, nagluto si Habi ng aming dinner. Nagluto siya ng rice. Ayan yung rice namin. Nagluto siya ng rice. And then, kasi may work din si Habi, may binili ako na chicken patty guys. So yun lang yung niluto niya, may 2 natira. So tagdadalawang kami kinain namin, hapunan namin. So So, yan yung hapunan namin today, guys. And nagwalis na din ako. And then, I'm fixing to mop the floor. And then, after that, I'm gonna take my shower and then relax. So, update tayo mamaya, guys, pag natapos na natin yung ating mga gawain dito sa bahay. But anyway, I'm off tomorrow. So, I have one day to get relaxed and see what I'm gonna do in my days off. And I'm working this coming weekend. So guys, naglinis na ako ng bahay para bukas sa day off natin hindi na ako maglilinis. Magre-relax na lang ako, guys. At kung may anong dapat akong gagawin bukas, yun na lang yung gagawin ko. Ang hirap ng nung maliit lang yung bahay. But anyway, guys, hindi naman namin kailangan ng malaking bahay, hindi namin kailangan ng malaking bahay kasi dalawa lang naman kami ng asawa ko. So, yan guys, tapos na akong mag-mop sa buong bahay and then maliligo ako. So guys, update. Tapos na tayong maligo at mag-skincare tayo guys. And then, dry natin yung ating hair. And then, magre-relax tayo. So, that's it for today. And see you in my next one. Have a blessed Wednesday guys. And be good and be safe. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, Simply Indai's Vlog. Bye. Mwah!